You have your orders. Now go!
Destroy. Destroy. Destroy.
Patching into a direct feed to Gotham Cable.
Excellent. Once the bombs have detonated, I will go on the air to inform the good citizens that I'm this city's new boss.
Sorry, Black Mask. You're not ready for prime time. But you are ready for hard time in Arkham Asylum.
Taboo, get Daddy's little helper!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Show Proto where the bots are headed. Now!
There. You have everything you need. Don't hurt me.
Proto will not hurt Batman. Ace will.
Trading blows with me while half the city's about to be blown to Kingdom Come?
Point taken. Proto, we have to stop those bots.
Proto understands. Proto activating War on Evil mode.
Ace, the lever.